Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting in Settings, tap your name at the top to open Apple ID. Once done, make sure your device is online so Sign Out can sync and remove data safely. You may be prompted for your Apple ID password or device passcode. Enter it when asked, because this verifies you own the account. If you plan to keep a local backup, pause here and confirm your iCloud backup settings. Now, scroll down to find the Sign Out option. That's where the account removal begins. Tap Sign Out and you'll see a list of iCloud data types. Decide what stays on this device. You can toggle photos, contacts, and other items. Keep them locally if you need access after Sign Out. Next, enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. This step prevents the device from being tied to your account. Once authenticated, confirm the action. The system will remove iCloud data from the device, but keep a copy in iCloud unless you choose otherwise. Confirm the final Sign Out prompt, then wait while the device removes account data and settings. This can take a minute. After it finishes, restart the device and open Settings to verify your name no longer appears at the top. If the process stalls, make sure you have a stable network and retry. You can also sign out remotely by removing the device from your account at Appleid. Calm when local sign out fails. If activation lock persists, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.